what we'd like to do at this point is to say that Alicia's work is often about breaking into these elite sports. It's sometimes it's about motor vehicles, motorsport, or in this case, there's a whole collection around cycling. We want to, do we not, give this man here some shine, yeah? So we have Tokunbo here, Ajasa Oluwa, yes, who was the founder of the Black Unity Bike Ride, is the founder of the Black Unity Bike Ride. Brother who, if you've heard about it, one day we decided we were gathering at Walthamstow bus station, and we asked a few friends to meet with us, and we were going to go for a ride together. And 1,500 black cyclists turned up because of him. And we rode to Brixton, and that was the beginning of a fantastic development in our community. So we now have breaking into the whole world, the elite world of cycling. And here's where the social and the political and the cultural, the artistic all comes together, because today, Brother Tokunbo, we award you. We thank you, do we not?
We do.
We thank you for the tremendous work that you have done, the pioneering and courageous work that you have done to encourage us as a community to take up cycling and to break into this elitist world. We shine a light on you, sir. Everybody?
Yeah.